At least 34 people are dead after continuous rains triggered flash floods in Uttarakhand. Now resorts in Corbett, they are submerged. Nainital's famous Mall Road is completely submerged. Several roads have been cut off or are seeing landslides. We bring you this ground report.
The big deluge in the hills. Wrath of rain gods for the Dev Bhumi, Uttarakhand. Deaths, submerged popular tourist spots, destroyed bridges, highways washed away. Scary images of surging water. The hill state battling the flood fury. After torrential rainfall, no respite in sight for the state, a destination for tourists from across India. Met Department has issued red alert for heavy to very heavy rainfall in the coming days. Killer landslides have already made a comeback. A massive sinkhole appeared on the bridge over the Gola River in Haldwani. Bone-chilling images showed a local alerting a motorcycle rider just in time and saving him from certain death. Cloudbursts have forced authorities to halt the Char Dham Yatra. Pilgrims already in Haridwar and Rishikesh have been advised against travelling further. Disaster response teams, helped by the local police and residents, rescued 22 devotees stuck at the Jungle Chatti area on their way from the Kedarnath temple. A car with passengers on board was pulled to safety by the Border Roads Organization. The vehicle had got stuck in surging water and the boulders at the swollen Nala near the Badrinath National Highway on Monday. People who were stranded near the inundated river Ganga were moved to safety.
गंगा नदी का पानी बहुत तेजी से बह रहा था और कुछ लोग टापू में फंसे थे। एसडीआरएफ की मदद से इनको सकुशल बचा लिया गया है और 20 से 25 लोग हैं ये, इनको सकुशल, बाकी इनके जो जानवर है वो भी सुरक्षित हैं और सारे लोग सुरक्षित हैं।
Not just human beings, animals too are facing nature's wrath. A stranded baby elephant was rescued eventually from a flooded Gola River in Haldwani. Prime Minister Narendra Modi took stock of situation and spoke to Chief Minister Pushkar Dhami, assuring the state of all necessary help and relief. With Dilip Rathore in Rudraprayag, Bureau Report, India Today.